Hey TL, what's good? It's your boy Red That's the voice of the future. Letting you guys know what's going on in a real big way. You don't know, Friday, July 27th, we hit a party road. It's all about dancer meet soca. So you already know, the One Job family, Tony Temple, we representing the soca side. So you don't know, me I challenge the dancehall people. Let me see what you guys got. So Gallus and the big bad Slaughter Tone. Friday, July 27th, step up to the plate and show me what the dancehall I work with. Because you see the soca crew there, we're ready. We're ready. And I hope you guys are ready. I hope all of your dancehall fans them are ready. On Friday, the 27th party room, the place slap with. The place done. It's turn up. The girls them are broke it down. And you done them with soca girls them, they are dead over. I'm a trembling. Come out in your numbers. We also be celebrating my good friend Tony Temple Earth Strong. So we celebrating in a big way. So dancehall people, this is not no stand-up thing. Come show me what you're working with. See? I'll see you guys. Because we don't know if you guys ready. You guys not ready. But I'm gonna see. Friday, July 27th. Peter Park, big up yourself. This one, gone.